Hi guys, in this video I will show you about 10 things as Wolverine like dog, cat, car, bag, fish, locket, etc. If you like this type of content, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Wolverine is one of the most famous characters in worldwide. His middle name is Logan. Wolverine is a famous superhero from Marvel Comics, created in October 1974. He is around 5 foot 3 inches tall and weighs 195 IBS. His real name is James Olette. He is a mutant with animal keen sense, enhanced physical capabilities, a powerful regenerative ability known as a healing factor 3 retractable claws in each hand. Let's enjoy the full video.